Hi, this is Oakland Auto Parts Plus today with the 2016 Kia Sorento, stock number 6226. This ran from the 3rd 2015 to the 1st 2020. It has a D4 HP 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4 HP 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door curb, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,